Good morning, my crafty friend. Another early morning and another episode of our ABC April 2025, our April event hosted by Crafty by Toni and Seven Plaza. And today we have J as a letter to craft junk journaling items or junk journaling techniques with. For me, as you by now most likely know, I have an additional challenge for me that I create a junk journal tag every morning while reflecting for 15 minutes on a word or a concept that is helpful for our mental health and well-being. And for the J today, it's joyful. Of course, joyful is the opposite of depression and anxiety. It's like nearly having both at the same time might be sometimes difficult, even though we might have parts that are joyful while we have other parts that at the same time can grieve or can think about things that are very sad. So it's not cancelling itself out, but my mind goes to laughter, children playing, like celebrating with friends, dancing, things like that. I associate with joyful, but I am also joyful when I see craft materials. Like it's the most joyful thing for me to be on a craft fair. Like I'm in my element, I'm in my heaven if I do this. But for today, let's think about what we want to do. Before, if I define joy, like joy is pure happiness, like a moment where life feels light and full of possibilities. So, full of possibilities is also our tag today. And while I had been looking through my journal and collage photo book that I showed you before, you might have seen in a video before the dancing gnomes. And for today, I thought this is exactly what I would like to have on my tag today, because look at them. They are brimming with joy. They are really, really joyful. So I will definitely, first I thought I fussy cut them, but they are the leaves around it. And we are in autumn now here in New Zealand. So it even fits to the autumn theme here, not in the rest of the world, or like in many places of the world. The summer is coming soon, or it's springtime. So let's have a look. Done. Let's have a look. Joyful, I would like to stem today. My goodness. Let's have a look. Joyful. The start of the day. Starting my day with crafting a tag is definitely joyful for me. It's even sometimes like getting up early to be able to manage to do this before I go to work. Sometimes can also feel like a task, but once I'm sitting down, like it's pure joy. I am so glad that I am a crafter, because it holds so much opportunities for me to really be joyful and be in the moment. I find that belongs together very often, like being in the moment and joyfulness, that goes together. If I am thinking about my past or if I'm contemplating my future, sometimes if I contemplate my future and I have fantasies about my future that are joyful, I can tap into joyful. Look, it's done. How easy is that today? My goodness. So, but where's my little tool to cut the corners? I think today I need to do it by hand. I can do this. Cut. It's a little bit of a different angle, but I turn it around and then I take it on the other side. Yep. And like this. Wonderful. Definitely would like to have a topper here. Maybe a little bit of lace. Oh, I think I like this lace. A little bit more. A little bit more. Yep. Like this. Let's see if I can. Do I want to glue it or can I just. I think I see if I have my stapler here. Here it is. Ah. And that's joyful. Everything I can find. Like it's. Sometimes that is really difficult. Maybe let's glue it first a little bit. I always find it so difficult to hold it in place in order to stable it. So if I do this and that and give it a little bit of time to dry. Okay. Doesn't need to be stable, just need to dry for now. And okay, so gluing it down. And again, like maybe take a little bit of time to reflect on when do you feel joyful? What brings you joy in your life? Because making it conscious, like becoming aware of what actually gives us joy, allows us to be a little bit more intentional about our life. Like we can then look for moments and how to integrate joyful moments in our life. So not to wait for it to turn up, but to actually know these are areas I experience joy. And again, I think we are very privileged as crafters because, oh, look at this. That is a short video today. Like I love it the way it is. Like let's staple it. Yeah, done and dusted. Another joyful thing. This is a little bit. I need to maybe make another one that's a little bit close to the edge. Maybe even a little bit here over it. All good, all good. Maybe let me know in the comments what brings you joy. I always like if we share our feelings that support our mental health and well-being, because we are social creatures. Like it is so inspiring for us if we can hear and see how other people live life, enjoy life. Yesterday we had inspired. It can inspire us to find joy in things we didn't even think about before. Joy is contagious, and so spread it wherever you go. Leave a comment in the comments below, but even smile at your neighbor, or even when you be in the public transport system, you might smile to somebody and make their day. So I wish you a joyful day. Bye for now, and I hope to see you tomorrow again.